ring I wed you.
Henceforth,
I yield my body to you.
all my worldly good.
With you I share.
Never thought I'd see this day, standing here with you. Could have gone so many ways, but you know I do.
Therefore, what God Almighty has joined together, let no man separate.
I'm giving you my head.
Hi guys, my name is Samson Onyekachuki Anene. I'm here and I know Paul. I'm wishing Paul and Neto all the blessings marriage has to offer and a strong partnership.
Barely beaten. I'm gonna stay right where we.
Neto, we've prayed for this day. We hoped for it, and it is here. I wish you guys the best things marriage has to offer. I've seen you guys together when you're angry. I've seen when you're happy. I've seen you guys when one person is sad. I've seen how you guys handle stuff, and everything is just amazing. I know without a doubt that this marriage is ordained by God, and nothing will go wrong.
Any little thing I can just to make you laugh. From our first dance to our last.
There's a story like this. One time I walked into Paul while I was at uni, negotiating with a flatmate. I was like, there must be some serious money this guy is talking about. So little did I know it was a goosey soup, Paul. A goosey soup guy. You're negotiating. But that's the type of character he's, he's very determined, very tenacious guy. Anything he puts his mind to, he strives for it. He's just that kind of character. He's very focused and determined, and I think Paul has inspired most of us sat at this table.
Is that beauty on my pillow that holds me in the night, and I would find my strength to untape my mouth when I used to be afraid of the words. But with you I've learned just to let it out. Now my heart is ready to burst, 'cause I feel like I'm ready for love. And I wanna be your everything and more. And I know everything.
DJ UC, if your hands are not so busy, scratch some things as we welcome the latest and newest couple in the city of Abuja.
Are you ready to party? Turn it up, baby. Let's get it. How love's the love.
The enemy, move back. You didn't follow me. On point. And you come with me. Even if not that minutes. Maybe I'm a ghetto. Mosiraji lo moto. My grace in the auto. Automatic. One favor me a photo.
Girl, make you go gaga. Go gaga. Baby girl, make you go gaga.